Okay. Can you see my screen?
I can.
Okay, perfect. So listen, weight loss marketing that actually works using artificial intelligence. Check this out. You got to sell the problem, not the product. We're more than just medical weight loss, guys. Okay. Gains wave, peptides, testosterone. Okay. The everything that's included, all your other services will be implemented into this program, not just the weight loss. Okay. It's so important that we optimize your website because most websites, guys, we've seen hundreds of them. They just don't qualify. You don't have the quality score, and it's so important. So we put a lot of time and effort, and all of this that I'm going over with you is included in the package. It's a turnkey solution. We do it all. So again, I'm just showing you some of the landing pages because a lot that goes into this. You want to be very simple. You want to use real photos because reality sells. But most importantly, you want to be able to prove to Google that your site is optimized. So all our sites are built backwards and they're built with the intent of showing Google that you're number one. So then when you're out there doing the ads, and organically, you show up above your competition. Okay? So I'm going to continue with this deck. And it's important to have landing pages with a call to action like this because you want to collect leads. Without a lead, most of these people are on the site after hours, let's say 11 o'clock at night. You're not there. So you want to capture that lead so we can nurture it. And nurturing is part of the success. We have a call center. They'll actually call that lead, and that's incredible. They'll follow it up. They're also going to get an email. They're also going to get a text. This is all included because lead nurturing is so important. Now, a lot of the landing pages that I looked at from medical weight loss companies, they lack. They're not good. They don't convert. So we're going to bring all this traffic to you, and you're going to think, hey, it's not working. Well, of course it's not working. We have to fix your landing page. We have to make it credible. Look at this. It has a video here. If I come to this page, I'm going to watch this video. And the doctor's going to describe what he can do for me. He's going to tell a story with emotions. And guys, emotions sell. It's psychology. And that's going to cause a conversion. That's going to say, this guy's incredible. I'm I'm booking an appointment right now. Love it. So this is what we do. And it's important to have before and afters. A lot of you don't have before and afters. And if you do, it's buried in the site. I couldn't even find half of them. So you have to make this dominant. It has to be real. It has to tell a story within seconds. Look, I am this person. I want to be this person. Unbelievable. She lost 118 pounds. I'm joining. You guys are incredible. So, this is so important. Check this out. Here's an inspiring video showing how much each one of these bags of sugar is 10 pounds. So, this particular person lost 20 pounds. This particular person lost 30 pounds. It shows, wow, that's a lot of weight coming out of my body. Unbelievable. So this is important, and we'll show you how to do this. We'll script it for you. You use your own phone or camera because you don't want to waste your money spending thousands of dollars with a video company. You can do this yourself. Make it natural. Have your clients come in the studio. Treat them to dinner, because this is gold. This is valuable. This is going to make the conversion, guys. So also what's very important is we bring the traffic in and now we have to convert them. We have to have an ad that gives them, hey, I'm going to click into this. This looks interesting. If the ad isn't interesting, we're going to lose. So typically, we'll do 25 different variations of that ad. 25 different variations, not two, not three, because most marketing companies will do two or three, you know. We do up to 25. That's what AI does. It's incredible. So again, I'm just showing off here. You can see the different ads, how they grab attention. Social proof is super important. Your social media, your Facebook page, your Instagram page. We're going to automatically post for you at the right time, at the right moment. We're going to engage it. We're going to tag it. We're going to make this thing go viral, guys. This is what we do. This is what's included in the package. Now, call to actions. These have to be all throughout your website. Schedule an appointment. Every single page has to have this. You can't just, where, how do I schedule an appointment? Where is that? You can't make them curious. You have to have it right in front of their face. And you have to have new patient offers because I'm new. I want a special. I'm looking because once you get them in, you're going to sell them. You're going to upgrade them and they're going to come back and they're going to tell their friends. So it's very important to have the right call to actions. And again, we're going to set this all up for you guys. Now, they're on your website and they're about to leave. We don't want them to leave. So we have an exit pop up. Hey, before you go, fill this out. You're going to get this. Wow. Okay. Let me fill this out. Now we can follow that lead, which is amazing. So again, here is different angles, and I'm just showing you this because 49% off. This is a great offer. Wow. I'm going to take you up on that, you know. So they finish signing up and they hit, boom, you got the lead. And this is so creative, guys. Being creative and simple works. So make sure you also have a subscription for a newsletter. They have to sign up. And every month we're going to send them an email. Every month, we're going to send your clients an email to remind them of you with different specials every month. This is also included. Pretty crazy, right? So here is a simple, free, no obligation. See, these words are important. You're telling them, book the consultation call with me. It's free, there's no obligation, and it only takes 10 minutes. You know what? I'm going to do it. So just wording alone is important, and we're going to help you with that wording. Okay. Now, keywords for winning in the medical weight loss is huge, guys. If you don't have the right keyword strategy, you're simply wasting your money on campaigns. So I'm not going to go through each one of these keywords. I can also send you this deck so you have it and you can look at it once you book an appointment with us. So I'm going to go a little bit quicker towards this part, but these keywords are key to success. It'll make and break your campaigns. And this is what we do. We manage the keywords because it's not only the short, it's the long term, it's multiple, it's variation, it's testing, it's all of this put together, and this is what our AI does. Okay, so moving along here, we also suggest put a quiz on your homepage. Do I even qualify for this diet, this plan? Well, I'm going to take the 3-minute quiz. This sounds interesting. And now you got the lead. This is what also we highly suggest this. And they fill out the forms, you know, and it also educates them on what you're doing and how good you are. So this is huge for conversions, guys. And we'll go into depth in this again. Once we get on that consultation call with you, we'll go over all of this. Or take the 2-minute quick assessment. There's different ways of doing it, but it's very important. Video testimonials, guys, you got to get more of them. You don't have enough. And words don't do it. You can't just show wording. You got to show the live video from the client with emotions and a story. This you have to invest in because this will cause a conversion. This will say, hey, I love her story. I love it. She was a success. She told me how nice the doctor was, how easy it was. The recovery was so quick. These video testimonials could just make you alone. I mean, it's so, so important. And blogs, guys. You got to answer their questions, earn their trust. Book the consultation. The blogs are huge. We do this for you because it's all part of the system. It's part of the process, guys. So there's so much to talk about. I am so excited. Get on the call with Danny and I. We are going to make your practice flourish with new patients quickly. We're going to help you make money. So we're partners with you. If we don't do that, we lose because guess what? We don't have contracts, right, Danny? Do we have contracts?
No, we do not. We have to earn your business every month.
Yep. And that's what we do. And book that consultation. There's a link on this email. I'm looking forward to it. It's a free consultation. We'll evaluate your website, we'll evaluate your competition, and we'll bring you to the other side. Thank you. You guys are awesome.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Take care.